Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Living in Bengaluru, and welcome to another video. Today it is plan with me for the month of May 2022. 4 months pass by and we don't even know how fast they just fly away. Heat is increasing, terrible heat everywhere, and I'm sure most of you, your energies have been zapped with the heat. But anyways, we need to keep going. So coming to the month of May, if you're planning your month with me, here is my Alicia Souza's planner. Please get your planners and your stationery, whatever you need. I have my planner, I have my sticker books, my stationery, and whatever things I need for planning. As you know, if you've watched my previous videos, before we go and start the month of May, I review the month of April. So in the month of April, I have kept a monthly review of April section here. So what I'll do is I will see how my goals and to-dos have gone through, and I will write a review of the April so that I can carry forward the things that I need to improve on to the month of May. So the first thing, looking at the goal, I always like to put a tick mark with a red pen. I'm so used to being a teacher and putting a tick mark with a red pen, so I always have a red pen in my pouch. Photography classes, not even bothered to start. I didn't do a thing regarding the photography classes. Read 2 books. Yeah, I have done 1 book. So neither a tick nor a cross, I'll just put a dash. LIB, my Living in Bengaluru 5 videos, I have done only 3 videos. So this is also not up to the mark. My other channel, I haven't touched it. Insta post, yes, I have done this. Investment setup or update, yes, I have started this. Reset my daily chores and schedule, yes, I have done it, because for my holidays when kids are at home, I just reset my daily chores and schedules to keep my house clean and neat. So I have done that. This is done. Okay, I haven't done this. Not done. Done. Okay, this one I'm not sure, not completed. This is done. Okay, this is done. So from my goals, I would say, yeah, I'm almost done, like neither good nor bad, kind of okay. I think around 60% have been done. To-dos, yeah, most of the to-do list I have done except for around 2 things. So I think my April goals and to-do list is quite okay. Now moving on to since it was my birthday month and I knew I'm going to fill this page, my happy moments of April 22 have been filled, and I had an amazing month, a lovely month with a lot of things here. Here, monthly wellness tracker, if you see, the month has gone really well. I have had almost every day my mood was very good, except for a few days. 2 days I had some bad days. Another 3 days they were like okay days, but otherwise all the days went on really well. My meal planning has been excellent last month. And coming to the habit tracker, water intake quite good. My yoga, yes, I think I have practiced quite well. A few days here and there missed, but most of it done. My everyday cleanliness task almost good. Medicines all taken. So my monthly habit tracker has been also very nice and good. And I think every day whatever I have done is also gone well. So now coming to the monthly review of April, I generally write what went well, what didn't go well, and what are the things that I need to still work on. So basically the points of monthly review depend on what went well and what didn't go well, what you need to improve. So it's just the gist of the month and how you can carry forward it to the next month. So for the month of April, So with this I complete the monthly review of April, and comparatively I am okay, kind of happy, not that productive. So I thought now next month I will take it slow. I think the next month the heat is still going to be bad. Being in Bangalore, it generally doesn't go up so high. It starts raining, but this time I don't know, somehow it's getting worse. You can change your monthly review the way you want it, according to your style. This is how I do it. Now after the monthly review, I go to the month of May, a great book which I don't know how am I going to do. So now these things I'll just move it on to, I'll just remove this. I think by now I am more familiar on what I do every month. This month I'm planning not to write motivational quotes, but I found something on Pinterest when I was searching, and probably I'll stick to that for this month. It's not a motivational quote, but it is just something for a habit kind of thing. I got this on Pinterest, where 7 habits for success. I read every day, which I do nowadays. I have started this miracle morning routine. I'll soon put a video on that, but read every day. I have started my morning routine with reading, so I'm very happy with that. Make your health a priority, which generally many of us don't do. As third one, learn from people you admire. Plan your day the night before. I think I need to work on this, because I generally plan, sometimes happens I keep it for the morning and sometimes I just skip it off. But plan your day the night before. This is a habit I need to start. Keep your goals in front of you. I'm planning to put my vision board and the goals on my computer screen where I work frequently. Take action even when it's scary. Sometimes it's lazy actually than scary. Have an attitude of gratitude. We need to practice gratitude every day. So next, moving on to the May goals, to-dos and notes here. So I'll follow the same methodology what I've done for the previous months. So the first one, goals. So monthly review for May 2022. So this we will fill up for the next month, that is for the month of June. Now coming to the goals. So with this I'm done with the goals and the to-dos. Monthly review, we keep it for the end of the month of May. That is when we plan June, I will do the review of the month of May 2022. Now going on to the next page, that is the monthly layout. So in monthly layout, I have done a list of the things that I have to do every month. So this list I had done during my planner setup, and last month I think I have just reset the list again. So depending on this, I will start one by one and finish all of this. Okay, with this I'm done with the monthly layout. I'll move on this to the month of June. Okay, so after this, the next one is the trackers. So going on to the last page, that is just before June. This page I usually use it for happy moments of the month. So I will write here. So these are the happy moments of May 2022, which I will write as and when I have some nice day. Now coming to the mini monthly wellness tracker. Nothing much to be done here. I will just write my color code for the mood tracker. For every month it's written as draw, whether it's smiley or sad. I have the smiley stickers, but I don't want to use them. These circles are too small, so I like to color them in golden for a good day, blue for an okay day, grayish black for a not okay day. So this way I write the mood. Now starting for the month of May, it starts on a Sunday. If I'm not wrong, it is on the month of May starting on a Sunday. So I will write here 1, 2, 3, so I don't get confused, and then I will continue the dates. Coming to my previous page, I hope you have watched my monthly meal plan. I do my monthly meal plan this way. If you haven't watched my monthly meal plan, I'll put a link in the description box below, as well as you will find it here on the top. So make sure that you watch this video of monthly meal plan. It helps you a lot to save your money as well as your energy in planning it weekly. So I do the monthly meal plan, and here is my monthly meal plan. Make sure to check out the video. All the stationery that I've used in this video, I will put a link in the description box below. Make sure that you check out if you need anything. Finally, coming to the monthly habit tracker, I track the water intake, my yoga, my everyday cleaning routine, and my medicines. I'm planning from next month to stop my water intake habit tracker, because I think now almost for a month, last month, I have been quite consistent with my water intake, but still I'm not sure. So I thought I'll just keep track for another month and see how it goes, and after that I will stop my water intake and I will start something else. Now with this, I'm done with this month's monthly plan with me. I hope you all have liked this video. If please hit on the subscribe button below and make sure that you keep yourself updated, be consistent in planning, and finish all your planning according to your requirements. Like and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you once again, and I'll see you super soon in another video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.